Bitcoin's breakout is real. Ethereum just woke up. And Memecoins, they're lighting up like it's 2021. Today, we're going to break down the Bitcoin structure, what's happening with Ethereum and Base, plus the macro, Memecoin momentum, and what's next. Let's do this right now. Okay, Bitcoin holding strong at around 103,164. Not that long ago, we were at 74,300. All right, and now look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Structure looks bulletproof. On the daily, we've clearly reclaimed the top of the ascending channel and flipped 98,000 into support. Okay, right through here. Flipped it into support for now. RSI, way up here, way up there. Down to 75. Strong, but not completely exhausted. Okay, but I mean, it's up there. It's in overbought territory for sure. And on the weekly, look at that. Look at all that. And this is where we are right here. Right here. Textbook bullish, guys. Textbook bullish right here. Look at that. 5 weeks, and it doesn't show like it wants to slow down. We broke out of the bull flag consolidation, and now we're targeting the 105 to 107,000 upper trend line. Okay, up here. All right, that's it. After that, guys, it's price discovery. This is a clean, high volume move, and right now there's no resistance until higher. Let's talk about one that we don't really talk about, Ethereum. We should talk about it more. Okay. Ethereum finally joined the party, as you can see. Okay. Blasted through. This is the 200 EMA and is now testing the 50 EMA, sitting at 2,332. Okay, just down some from here. You can see the wick right here. We got as high today as almost 2,500, just $1 shy of less than $1 shy of 2,500. It'd be good to see it come back into this above this ascending line and above both EMAs. RSI on let's see what it looks like on the daily actually. So daily might look different here. Okay, on the daily, yeah, there we go. All right, blasted through the 50. You can see it a little bit better too this way. All right, blasted through the 50. We're got rejected on this ascending line right here, and we also got rejected on the 200 for now. Let's see what happens. RSI, as you can clearly see, is at 80, way overbought. So short-term cooldowns are possible, but this is the most aggressive Ethereum breakout that we've seen in quite a while. Right? Look at that, quite a while in months, guys. Okay, so this is good to see. Finally, welcome back, ETH. And remember, this is the most important part. This is why I'm bringing this to you. Ethereum is the foundation of Base. So if ETH is back, that's a direct tailwind for meme coins, especially the ones that we watch on this channel, guys. CME futures, let's take a look. All right, that's what it looks like. There are no major gaps directly under current price. The structure is on CME is bullish, confirming the spot breakout. But, and this is important, there is a gap way back in 92,700 down to 92,000 that remains unfilled right here. This little thing right here, all right? Pure speculation, okay? But that gap might end up being a bear market bottom next cycle. Keep an eye out for that number right there, 92. Just something to keep in the back of your head. For now, legacy traders are supporting this move, and that adds legitimacy to the rally that we're seeing right now, guys. Macro landscape, let's check it out. DXY, I'd like to see it reject here, to be honest with you. Rejected from this line right here, right? We got as high as 100, but so far rejecting. But let's see if it kind of hangs out right here. It looks like it's trending upwards, but still weak. All right, still weak. Look, it's still okay. Still weak. 2-year bond yields. All right, that's what it looks like. Fighting against the 50 EMA. All right, sideways, consolidating. 10-year above both EMAs. Okay, but still just consolidating sideways, essentially. 10-year stable at 0.438%. Equities, let's take a look. Dow Jones in between EMAs, but trending up. NASDAQ above EMAs, trending up, approaching this area of resistance. S&P 500 above EMAs, between the 200 and this area of resistance. Hopefully we flip that resistance into support. Same thing for NASDAQ, all breaking out of consolidation. Good, right? Gold, let's see what's gold looking like. All right, sideways. Holding just above 3,300, 3,327 right now. Sideways consolidation. VIX, what does the VIX look like? Oh yeah, we're coming down here to this 22.09. No fear, no panic. Why it matters. The macro backdrop is not in the way, so that's good. All right. Yields are not only soft. Yields, are the only soft red flag. But so far, crypto is ignoring that. We will keep an eye out. That's why we always look at these charts, guys, on the 2-year and 10-year yields. Looking good. Things are looking good. Tailwinds on the macro. BTC dominance. Let's take a look at that. All right. BTC dominance has pulled back after hitting 65.338%. It broke below the daily trend line. We're above it now. And is now testing, daily trend line is not pictured here, and is now testing the 50 EMA. This is the 50 EMA right here, okay? Right now we're above it, okay? Seems like we tried to get below it, we got rejected, okay? So, interesting. Weekly, let's take a look. What's the weekly look like? Looks like that. Very strong still. Weekly is still intact. Structurally, it's still bullish. But this short-term drop right here could open the door for altcoin rotation. Takeaway. This move gives memes and small caps right here room to breathe. Others, let's check it out. Let's go back to the daily, I think. Start with the daily. All right, this one is the cleanest breakouts of the chart today. We see here. We reclaimed the major trend lines. We flipped the 50 and now we're testing the 200, although right now we're above both of them. Hopefully that holds. Right, getting rejected on this small area of resistance right here at 267. Right now we're at 262 billion. On the weekly, that's what that looks like. On the weekly, we've broken out of a multi-month wedge. Altcoins aren't just following, they're leading parts of this rally now. This gives more fuel to the Ethereum plus base narrative. Okay, things are looking good, guys. Things are looking good. Memecoins, let's check them out. This is where the money's made. Let's go back to the daily. We're looking at Miggles. All right, rebounded off support. Now pushing into the 200 EMA, getting rejected currently at the 200 EMA, which is at 0.042. Right now we're at 0.039. Okay, volume's rising and RSI has some room to run. It's still at 63. Okay, Toshi, nice green candle. Okay, nice two green candle days. Now testing. Well, I don't really see too much of resistance. This is the hardest resistance. Let's see if it can continue. Okay. Let's see if it can continue. I'd like to see it at least hold where it's at right now, 3046. And if it can hold, we're going higher, guys. All right, this one's looking really nice. This one's looking like it wants to go. Right, that's Toshi. Keycat. Ooh, look at Keycat. This is the area that we wanted to get out of, right? And it looks like it's right there. Once we break out of this little area right here, guys, 0.007 might be next. Right now we're at 0.003. All right, looking good, guys. Looking good. Dogging me. What's up? Still in the triangle. Keycat is also in this triangle. See that? You see this triangle right here? And that's why once we break out of here, guys, we could see a fake out like that. But let's see. I think maybe up here, 008 again, depending on what the rest of the market does. But things are looking good. ETH looking good. Things are looking good, guys. Dogging me. Just above the point of control, just above the 50, and just above the 200 EMA. That's really good. Next area, I think if we hold on to this area, short term, I think we'll see 3070. Right now we're at 3059, and then after that we'll see if we can break through here, guys. We're going higher to 0.001. All right. In summary, these are base native memes, and they're set up beautifully as Ethereum breaks out. Yeah, things are looking good, guys. So my final synthesis forecast next 5 to 10 days. Bitcoin is targeting $105,000 near term. The breakout is real and supported by volume. Ethereum's breakout confirms the start of alt rotations. BTC dominance is pulling back, giving memes and small caps a chance to run. Others index confirms altcoin structure looks strong. Macro conditions remain favorable. The DXY is weak, the VIX is low, and equities are starting to run. Moving up. If ETH holds above $2,400 and Bitcoin clears $105,000 with volume, we could see this market accelerate, and the next wave of meme coin fireworks may not be far behind. Leave it there. Guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. Trying to grow this channel and all that stuff really does help. With all that said, I will see you guys, tomorrow's Saturday, so I'll see you guys Monday. Have a good one. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.